Hello genealogists, this is Craig and this is Just Genealogy and I'm back. So we'll try to get caught up tomorrow probably with the genealogical proof standard, moving through the process map and dealing with evidence in the process map tomorrow. And that should lead us to the next day working on fundamentals of evidence, and that's found in Evidence Explained, just so you know where we are in the process. And then, of course, Book Sunday, and then who knows what Monday will bring. Eventually, we will get to the genealogical proof standard and the third element, analysis, correlation, that kind of thing. Looking forward to it. But today, I thought I'd talk about something that I talked way back in episode, if that's what we're calling them, Just Genealogy episodes, episode 19, where I talked about tombstone cleaning and the use of a product. And in thinking about it, I realized, and talking to others about it, and I did talk to a couple of people that seem to use it all the time, it seems like what was missing in the process was the sense of timing. And so one of our subscribers sent me some pictures of a tombstone where the stuff was applied, and then 6 months later what it looked like. Because it appears that although this is an instantaneous kind of product, it works so much better in the long term. So we'll go over the product again, and then we will look at the pictures that he provided. And this guy happens to be my cousin, because I happen to mention the name Paraguay. Any other Paraguays out there? Out of Orange County, Virginia, or Baltimore, Maryland? Look forward to hearing from you. I don't know what else to say except let's get started. So, tombstone cleaning examples. The product that I'm talking about is this D/2 biological solution, and the company provided a sample of what something can look like. And there were all kinds of words with this, and I'll let you read the words on your own. I don't need to read them to you. I read to you all enough. It's supposed to be fast acting, 10 to 15 minutes contact time for great results, and I seem to feel like it works better in the long run. But you know, that may be just me, but you can look at the pictures. Everybody that I've talked to about this product agrees that it works and agrees that it doesn't deposit harmful residues and that it can be used on a variety of different tombstone surfaces. And then here's the method for the immediate result. And see that in bold where it says don't use a metal brush? Please don't use a metal brush. You probably want to create a tombstone kit that contains the soft nylon or natural bristle brush and the water applier, you know, the squeeze bottle, that kind of thing. There is the no scrub, no rinse method. I think this is probably the best way to do it. Allow it to air dry. And then notice it says works with elements or results occur within 1 week or 1 month, depending on the severity. And reapply if rain occurs within 12 hours of application. Well, my sense is it works much better in the longer term than that, based on the pictures that I'm about to show you. And I think what's most important is you follow the directions, take your time, and what I'm going to tell you to do is come back in 6 months and check on it. Do you need an excuse to visit a cemetery? I don't. So this is what it looked like when it was started. This is a lower tombstone, and then this is what it looked like after a period of time, and this is what it looked like after 6 months. So you can see that they're substantially different between what it looked like 6 months prior. Here's another. This is a good tombstone, as in the surname good. And this is what it initially looked like. And this is after the application. And then this is what it looked like 6 months later. So decided improvement. I'm not sure whether, I mean, what I would do here is, now that 6 months have gone by, I would reapply the solution and see if you could get rid of those other pieces. I don't know whether they're mold or whether they're stain or whether they're lichens, whatever they are. But you may be able to find that an application every 6 months will create something like a maintenance program for you. Here's another picture. So I just wanted to update you. Nothing too huge today, since I just got back and I'm exhausted. Of course, I live tired, so that's okay. And today's not a let's not live so tired day. But I thought I'd just share this stuff with you since I had it in the hopper ready to go. And this is Craig, and this is Just Genealogy. I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Subscriptions are rising, so I'm glad for that. Views are rising, so I'm glad for that. We're almost to the another tier. And by tier, I mean another percentage point is being reached in the goal towards getting towards all that we need to get the job done. Thank you so much. Appreciate all of you. Don't forget to leave me with your questions. Nobody seemed too excited about George Jetson. I was just really disappointed. I thought that was kind of cool. But then I'm weird. Are you weird? We'll see. Have a good one. Bye.